¿Dónde está? Hola. Sí, déjala.
This is KP Watershed. You are watching KP Watershed on the YouTube. It's the KP Watershed channel, or it's nothing at all. And I think you should click subscribe.
Hey guys, KP here, checking in about halfway through the day, exploring what was it called? El Bosque de Chapultepec something. It's freaking awesome. This is you've seen the pictures. It's really great. Had some great conversations. The best conversations are always off camera. That's one of the hard things about YouTube, right? It's like once people are on camera, you know, they speak and act differently, myself included. But it's just been a blast, and lots more to come. I'm gonna check out the Museum of Anthropology now, El Museo de Antropologia. Oh, look at this, before we go in there. It's like awesome sculptures everywhere. This guy, pretty happy. So anyway, I think that over there is the Museo or Museum de Anthropology. So that's where we're going next. See you in there.
Biónico, Richie Flores. Repícalo, Jimmy.
Hello. This is a service announcement. There are 3 buttons that you may want to know about on this part of the video. Top button will show you the next video in the series. Middle button will show you the previous video, the last one that was recorded. And the bottom button is the subscribe button, the best button in all the world.
Click it. Click one of those buttons, preferably the subscribe button would really help me out. It would really, can you please just subscribe? Fucking subscribe. Get out of here.